Investigation. The important is know the pattern of criminal, the methods of operation, and the crime pattern of criminal. Know the modus operandi and crime pattern of criminal, the method of criminal, knowing the motive, the intention of, and answer the 6 cardinal points of investigations. What, when, where, why, how, who. Uh, Pattern. The crime pattern. There are many different crime pattern of criminals. To know who is the principal and accomplice and accessories of the crime, and to know what is the body of the crime, the corpus delicti, to gather indictment declaration. So, what can you do when you arrive at the crime scene? First, you arrive, you write in your tickler, call ambulance, call for medical attention, or the casualties, and info to your superior. Then after that, you picture all of the evidence. Then investigate and answer the cardinal points of investigations. When you answer 6 cardinal points of investigations, you complete the initial and final report. Yung initial, partial. You complete the final and accurate from that beginning to the end. Complete evidence, complete facts gathered by the investigator. Then be ready for preservation, collection, packaging, identification, preservation, collection, packaging, labeling, sealing, physical evidence, and presenting into court. So, the important is picture and applying scientific method instrumentation in the crime scene. The important, don't mutilate, alterate, and contaminate the physical evidence.